Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making bang bang shrimp. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of Sriracha's chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, scallions, and vegetable oil for frying. To make the bang bang sauce, in a bowl, combine the mayonnaise and sweet chili sauce. Now add the Sriracha chili and mix until well combined. If you like a little extra kick, add more Sriracha sauce. In another dish, combine the cornstarch and flour and mix until well combined. To a large bowl, add your shrimp and coat with the soy sauce. Now add the egg and buttermilk and mix until your shrimp is well coated. Dredge the shrimp in the flour and cornstarch mixture and place on a wire rack. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then fry your shrimp in small batches for 2 minutes. Now place the shrimp in a large bowl and coat with the bang bang sauce. Using a spatula, lightly toss your shrimp until it is well coated, and then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps